Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the Hollywood look using only the CapCut free version, or how to color grade using CapCut for free. The first thing you need to do is to upload your video on the timeline, and I already did that. So let's go and let's color grade this video. So to color grade the video, you'll just need to go to the adjustment tab here. As you can see, adjustment. So let's get started, and we're going to start with the temperature. You can just tweak it to feel the way you want. So if you want warm or hot, it's up to you to decide, but I kind of feel I'm going to go with this one. And we can adjust the tint, yeah, like this, because we have the green in this image. Let's just scroll down again to see a bunch of features. We can use the saturation, add a little bit of saturation, add exposure, add contrast. Now over there's a bunch of things you can add: highlight, shadow. All those things are adding depth to your image, and you'll get the professional look you're looking for. We can also add the white balance and the black balance, but I'm not recommending it. You can just leave the white and black balance blank. If you want, you can hide it, it doesn't matter. We're going to add the variance too, the sharpen, the clarity. So as you see guys, it seems like it's too much, it's too bright, and the way to fix that is to kind of reduce things like variance and things like, there's another thing you can fix here, which is the contrast and the exposure. It's too much, and you just move it like this. Okay, that's great. By going further, okay, it's not over. There's still another thing to do, which is add this all here, and here we can adjust any specific color. So let's go with the green, because green is the dominant color in this shoot, and let's just adjust the green here. Okay, add more green. You can adjust the hue, the brightness of this color too. Okay, so this is basically how you can color grade your video using the free version of CapCut. So now let's see the result, the before and after.